Hi everybody, we're going to go over the 3 fast ways to find keywords for Pinterest. And in order to do that, we're going to screen share. And I'm going to go over here to Pinterest. And the first way we're going to do it is we're going to create an ad. Cancel. And then we're going to continue. We're going to go all the way down to the very bottom area here where it says keywords, and we're going to do a keyword search. So the keywords that we're going to look for today is going to be vintage prints. Vintage is a good keyword. It tells you how many searches we have for these. I am going to go printable vintages, and we're going to go down here to more vintage designs. You just keep hitting see more. Vintage illustrations, vintage art paintings. I'm just looking for things that are relevant to my vintage pattern design shop. Go up here and put patent prints in here. Patent quotes. Apparently toilet paper patents, very popular. Patent print decor, patent art, patent drawing. All right, once you go through here and you can just like brainstorm all of the keywords that you can think of that are related to what it is you're selling in your Etsy shop. And then once you get all of those results, you just highlight this and hit copy and then paste it onto a notepad, and then you'll have all of the keywords that you could possibly want. And it also gives you the potential size of your audience over here. I'm going to do one more because I'm going to actually save these. Man cave decor, man cave. Just go with man cave. He sheds, man shed ideas. This is giving me all kinds of great ideas because I sell decor that would go great in these. Gosh, it's just like opened a whole new world for me. Cave art, cozy man cave, the man cave. And these are all really huge searches. Rustic man cave. Decorating ideas. This will also give you some ideas for keywords tags over on Etsy as well. All right, I'm going to be done there. See, my audience size has just gone up to 732,000 potential with just these 38 keywords. And I am actually going to save these, copy, and I'm going to put them on my little notepad. File, new, paste these here, file, save as, man cave, keywords. And I'm going to put it there, which would be fine. Okay, way number 1. That was so exciting. Way number 2, is to go back over here and just go along the search bar. So let's do man cave over here too. And you want to make sure you get all pins, not just your pins, otherwise. Well, that didn't give me what I wanted. Let's look at posters. See how you get all of these little things along here? Popularity starts over here to the left and moves over to the right. So you can start down here. So poster prints, aesthetic, and grunge. These 4 keywords right here, this would be a great board to have, and not for me personally because this is not my genre, but if I were into grunge kind of related posters, I would have a board with this name, and then I would have pins that had these keywords in it, and yeah, this is a very targeted set of keywords. So that's 2 ways. And then I'm going to tell you about this keyword tool. It's called Keywords Everywhere. It's a browser extension, and it works for Chrome, and it also works for Firefox that I know of. Just Google this keyword. How to spell. Keywords Everywhere extension. If you just put it in Google, it'll give you the link to where to go to find it, and then you can see Chrome extension. Just click on that, and you can set it up in Chrome, or you can do Keywords Everywhere extension Firefox, and it'll tell you how to set it up in Firefox. In the meantime, we are going to put in vintage prints. And we're going to come back over here, and you see all of these. These are ways people are looking for vintage prints. These are very popular keywords. We're going to come over here and look at the related keywords from my Keywords Everywhere tool. And it will show the related keywords. It'll also show you the keywords people are searching for. This tool is free. There's a paid version, but you don't need it. You can just use the free version. That's all I do. And then you're going to come all the way down here to the bottom of the page, and you can't highlight these, but you can highlight these and copy and paste them to your notepad. Okay, we're going to keep this short. This was 3 fast, easy ways and an extension to find keywords for your Pinterest pins. It also will help you if you organize your products towards your keywords. Then when people click on your pin, it's consistent with your products. Pinterest likes that. All right, we'll see you on the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.